In this video, we're going to be doing two stretches, one for your lower back and one for your calf. It's commonly done in yoga. We're going to be doing a cobra, then shifting into downward facing dog. So, we're going to lie down on the ground. Have your toes pointed away from you. Have your hands about halfway between your chest and your hips. And slowly raise your upper body off the ground, keeping your hips firmly planted on the ground. Now this is the Cobra. It's a great back stretch. From here, we're going to lower our upper body back down, putting our toes on the ground, and then pushing our hips up into the sky, really stretching our calves here. Then lower back down, lower our hips to the ground, point your toes back away, pushing our upper body off the ground, lowering back down, tucking our toes in, and pushing our hips up into the air. Really feel that stretch in your calves. And that's it. That's the Cobra into the downward facing dog.